Hey guys, I'm about to do some my computer stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna do that here a little bit after I vlog, so yeah. Yeah, I'm kinda relaxing after, but yeah, I'm gonna, yep, take care of computer business, so yeah. There's doing my Minecraft stuff and maybe, yeah, other stuff. So yeah, kinda relaxing. Yeah, Aaron Wolf Pause Gaming won't out myself out. Yeah, won't Aaron Wolf Pause Gaming won't return until um until break. So yeah. A long break, so yeah. And yeah, I have not did any Mineplex new flashes because I'm kinda busy, so yeah. So yeah. I'll see you guys soon. See you at 11 p.m. Bye.